So today I'm going to show you how to like an ad.
I got dreaming of
Yeah, here's an ad. Okay, we found an ad. We go to here. Now we go to liked videos. Here.
dreaming of Robux riches.
So this is that ad that we were seeing. Now let's comment on it. Like,
This device can.
why idea try? Okay. Now we have.
Dreaming of Robux
Let me show you the proof.
riches.
It's that ad only. See.
This app made it happen.
This is that ad only. Most of the ads are just that. Most of the ads have the comments actually enabled, but most of the ads are actually comments enabled, and but YouTube, when they display ads, it doesn't show the comments, so you can use this bypass to bypass all that.
Geometry trash. Geometry trash. I'm running in the city. You make my heart. You make. Rubbing in my.
Okay, Aram. Oh, here's an ad.
The only
See, so over here you can see an app, right? So over here this is an ad, but when you like it, go to your liked videos. Bas YouTube na.
The only one who has seen people play this game, and they're just always terrible at it.
You can see that it's actually made by Supersonic from Unity. It's an unlisted video, and this is made by Supersonic from Unity. Oh wait, actually Unity made this? Unity made this? Seriously? I hate this, then instantly started hating this. Oh no.
The only one who has seen people play this game, and they're just always terrible at it.
I want more ads.
Hookah is a calm and relaxing game.
The ad. Let's comment on some more ads. Ha.
Hookah is a calm and relaxing game.
That's the proof.
You have only one goal. Get the puck in the hole.
Just like it. So that